Dear Nessie, I hope you're doing well. I've finished off Mum's garden shed and she loves it. I'm having to move, so I've packed away most of my crafting supplies. In this parcel I've included a piece for you and 2 mermaid wands for the gnome children. Mermaid wands are made with all the treasures found by mermaids when the humans have left for the day. Glass, sand, shells, plastic beads and fishy things. I'm not very good with scales, so they may be a little too big for the children. Also, a couple of smaller bits for Mama Gnome. Once again, with not knowing the scale or her aesthetic, I added 4 of them. Sorry Papa Gnome, nothing for you this time round, but maybe you could make a bird bath out of the wooden bits I have added. Talking of the bits, there are things I have found in my local second-hand shop over the past few months, and I hope you can find a use for them. Warm thoughts heading your way, Heidi. Thank you so much, Heidi, for your lovely letter and this really awesome surprise. Now, I don't expect anybody to actually send me anything because I know the cost of postage is absolutely horrendous, especially with international postage. But I truly do treasure the things that I receive. And I bet the gnomes will too, because some of these things are going to look absolutely fabulous as they are in the gnome's home, let alone the things that I've got ideas to create things with. It's like, holy heck, you've got my inspiration charging ahead full steam. It really means so much that somebody thought of me and my gnomes. So, for future reference for anybody who's interested, because I know it's very hard to tell what scale my gnomes are, they're about 4 inches tall without their hats, but they're a bit chonky too, so it makes them 1/16 scale roughly by height, but then width-wise they're about 1/12 scale, so they can fit both scales really. That's why I just do custom scale things to fit them, make the chairs to fit, the furniture to fit, that sort of thing, because they are such an unusual size. But I can understand how it is tricky for people who haven't seen them in person, which is pretty much everybody except me and my closest family and friends, to understand the size and scale of them. Right, so I'm going to stop rambling on for now, and let's just watch and enjoy all the rest of the wonderful treasures that Heidi sent me. don't forget to come back next week. I've got something a little bit different for everyone to see. It's one of those projects that I've dreamed up again in my sleep. So I hope you enjoy it. It's a little bit of a deviation out of the garden for a moment, but we'll be straight back into the garden once this next one's done. So I'll see you then. Bye.